In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add error bars in Excel. If you've ever looked at a chart and wondered how to quickly show the uncertainty or variability in your data, error bars are the simplest, most visual way to do it. They add a small line above and below each data point or bar, helping your audience see the possible range around the measured values. Before we start, make sure you already have a chart created from your data. Column charts, line charts, and scatter plots are common choices for this. First, click once on your chart to select it. When the chart is selected, you'll see a small green plus icon appear just outside the upper right corner of the chart area. This is the Chart Elements button. If you don't see it, you may not have the chart selected, so try clicking the chart border or any data point. The appearance of this button is your cue that Excel is ready for you to add or remove elements like titles, data labels, grid lines, and, of course, error bars. With the chart selected, click the green plus icon to open the list of chart elements. In that menu, find error bars and click it. As soon as you do, Excel will apply default error bars to your data series. You should see short lines extending above and below each data point or bar, centered on the value. That's it. The visual cue for variability is now on your chart. What you're seeing are default error bars, which Excel applies automatically. They provide a quick, no-fuss way to communicate uncertainty without digging into formulas or advanced settings. This is especially handy for presentations or reports where you need to convey the idea of variability at a glance. If your chart has multiple series, you'll see error bars applied to each visible series, keeping the look consistent across your data. A couple of helpful tips as you review the result. First, make sure the error bars don't visually overwhelm your chart. They should clarify your message, not clutter it. Second, think about your audience. If they're not familiar with error bars, consider adding a brief note in your presentation or report explaining that they show the possible range around each value. Finally, if you ever want to toggle them off, just click the green plus icon again and uncheck error bars. And that's all it takes. Click the chart, open the Chart Elements menu, and turn on error bars. Simple, clear, and effective.